Hi guys, welcome to HandyMath tutorial. So remember, this is your corresponding numbers. So here are the steps on how to use HandyMath. Okay, so 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, try natin. 11 times 12. Okay, step 1. Close the fingers above 11 and 12. Step 2. Combine 11 and 12. Step 3. Count the open fingers by 10. So 10, 20, 30. Step number 4. Multiply the fingers from left to right. So we have 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Then step 5, just add 100. Therefore, 11 times 12 is equal to 132. Okay, para mas maintindihan natin, let's try another example. 14 times 13. So step 1, close the fingers above 14 and 13. Step number 2, combine 14 and 13. Step number 3, count the open fingers from left to right by 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70. Step number 4, multiply fingers from left to right. So we have 4 times 3 is equal to 12. And step number 5, just add 100. So therefore, 14 times 13 is equal to 182. So ngayon, try naman natin numbers from 16 to 20. So remember, this is your corresponding numbers. And here are the steps on how to use your hand to solve numbers 16 to 20. Okay, now let's try 17 times 19. Okay, step number 1, pagdikitin lang natin si 17 and 19. Then step number 2, close the fingers above 17 and 19. Step number 3, count the open fingers from left to right by 20. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and 120. Okay, next step, i-multiply lang natin yung naka-close na fingers. So we have 3 times 1 is equal to 3. Okay, next naman natin, just add 200. So therefore, 17 times 19 is equal to 323. Let's have another example. 18 times 18. So step 1, pagdikitin lang natin si 18 saka si 18. Then step number 2, close lang natin yung fingers above 18 and 18. Step number 3, count lang natin yung naka-open na fingers from left to right by 20. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and 120. The next step, i-multiply lang natin yung naka-close na fingers above 18 and 18. So we have 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Then step number 5, just add 200. Therefore, 18 times 18 is equal to 324.